Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what's going on, but it is an Hermes unboxing, a very special Hermes unboxing, Hermes Quota Bag unboxing that I picked up last week. So I am so excited for this bag and to share it with you all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe and thumb up this video if you like unboxing videos. And if you don't like unboxing videos, you could see yourself out because this is an unboxing video and I'm very excited for it. This is my second Hermes Quota Bag this year. So second and final. It's October, it's the end of the year. We're making it just in time. My first Quota Bag this year was my Birkin 35 that I received, I want to say it was back in May or June, around there. So this is the box. You can maybe guess what it is based on the size of the box. I have been doing a lot of discussing of my handbag collection and I've reduced my handbag collection a lot and I wanted to get down to 20 bags. And so this is unofficially my 20th bag because I am counting some SLG like this, like I'm counting this in the 20, which maybe I might do a little switcheroo on myself. But anyway, without further ado, let's get to the task at hand. This isn't a true unboxing. In fact, oh my gosh, the adventure that this, sorry, I'm gonna drag this out. The adventure that this box went on to get home, it was literally packed into my carry-on, but I took the bag out and then I packed everything around the box. So if you look closely, it's a little worse for wear. Got crushed in one part, listen. It is what it is. The box is not the critical part, although see right here, got a little smushed and it was literally, it's the small away luggage. So it was like packed in with all the stuff that I had traveled to New York with. And then the bag itself was in my hand luggage under the seat in front of me. Okay. So the tissue paper, it's crinkled because I had my dirty laundry shoved in. Listen. We make it happen. So here, oh, it's upside down, is the bag. I am beyond. Look. Okay. Of course you have the little pillow inside and then this card thing, but no raincoat anymore. The days of the raincoat have passed us by. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do it? Oh, I'm gonna put her here. 2 handles. Oh, you can see it. It is, okay, well, let's talk about what it is. This is a Birkin 25 Retorn Togo, like just soak her in. Now, gold hardware. Now the color, I'm not 100% on what the color is, and this is going to be a little bit of a story time. It's either Gris Pearl or Gris Pale. When I look online, I think it's closer to Gris Pearl, but it's hard to tell because, like, you know, Epsom versus Togo, like it's hard to tell if it's Gris Pearl or Gris Pale. Now, my sales associate, when they texted me, they said, I have a Birkin 25 Gris Pale or Gris Pearl. And I was like, great, perfect, love that. And then I looked on the receipt. Let me grab the receipt over here. But the receipt says Gris Pale. But I feel like maybe the receipt, what do we think is correct? Well, I guess the receipt has to be correct, right? Because the serial number is tied to it. Maybe? I don't know. But on my Facebook post, I put Gris Pearl, but I think it might actually be Gris Pale But anyway, it doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't matter in so much as I'm really excited about this color. So let me undress her, and I've already taken the stickers off so you can see the hardware is super shiny. If you are afraid to take off the stickers, I am more afraid to leave the stickers on. If you look at bags on Fashion File that are like a few years old and still have the stickers on, and it's like tarnished sticker imprint, no thank you. That's too scary. That is a no for me. So just be aware that while it could get scratched without the sticker, I think I'd rather have scratched hardware than like tarnished into a sticker shape hardware. Anyway, let's take this off. This little design also of like the cover, it's like a feat of engineering. They were like, how do we cut out, it looks like a little bunny rabbit. But anyway, here she is, stunning. And I got this twilly that has like a little touch of gray in it because it's kind of like a more grayish tone leather. And so I put one pink and then one on the gray side. It's the same, these are both the same twilly, it's just one's the opposite side. So it's a Birkin 25. It has teeny tiny little handles like this, but you can see, I mean, I'm not a small girl. It fits on my arm just fine. I was also joking on Instagram that I could just carry it like a little football, which not opposed. It is just, okay, this bubble wrap in here. Let's dress her up, situate her right there. Oh my gosh, I am so thrilled. Now I know all the questions are gonna happen, but I will link a video that I recently did down below with everything that I purchased before I was offered this bag. So it was everything I purchased from the time when I picked up my Rose Pop Constance up until I was offered this bag is recorded in that video. So you can go there and do all the math and do all the analysis. What I will say is like in order to get a quota bag from Hermes, there are really two necessary ingredients. One, you need to shop consistently. And two, you need to have a good relationship with your sales associate. If you have lots of both, bags flow easily. If you have lots of one and a little bit of another, you could probably still get a bag. If you don't have any of one of those, you're probably not getting bags. So, and the more you have, like the more you spend, the less of a relationship you need, the more of a relationship you have, maybe the less you need to spend. Lots of dynamics come into play. As far as my wish, okay, you guys know that I was like wanting a pink Birkin Birkin or Kelly really, specifically the Rose Darling. When I talked to my sales associate, they said that the Rose Darling hasn't come out in quota bags yet. They haven't really seen it in a lot of bags as of yet. And so my wish for the current period was for a light white / creamy color bag. So basically the colors that I would have been happy with, like I'm really happy with Gris Pearl or Gris Pale or whatever this is, but I was also like cray, nata, you know, the white, the new white, mushroom, like anything kind of in that baton, even like anything in that scope, I would have been happy with. But I'm really happy with this. I know that it's like more of a cooler toned neutral color, but I think with the gold hardware, it warms it up enough for me. So there's that. She is so tiny compared to my 35, even though it's only a 10 centimeter difference. Maybe in a future video, I'll do a comparison of the two sizes. I mean, it's just a totally different bag. The other one is like a tote, and this is like, I mean, fits a lot, sizable, but it's not like a tote. You know what I mean? It's not like you're going to lunch, you know what I mean? Like we're going to lunch, maybe we're like running 1 or 2 shopping errands, but not a ton because we have to hold this the whole time or have it on our arm like this. Like this. I am so thrilled. So I am all done with handbags for the year. This is it. This is last and final. And I'm just, yeah, this is really super special. I have been in love with my Birkin 35 for different reasons, but I feel like really in love with this. It's just the vibe. It's just the moment. And I feel like right now she's looking cutesy with like her little pink twilly, but I feel like I could dress her up with lots of different, you know, like I could go more neutral. I could put like a darker or like a burgundy twilly on this and she would be giving a totally different vibe. Right now she's kind of being cutesy, but like even if you flipped the back like with the gray, she could be very neutrally. So I'm just, yeah, there you go. There you go. This is the unboxing. I'm so excited. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye guys.